But you get the idea. It looks like, a military style rifle, but it fires in semi-automatic. So now the ones that would be definitely considered an assault weapon would be this one. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you this. See, it's got a bayonet lug. Oop, that makes it dangerous. And this has got a bird cage in the front. They say that makes it more effective or something. It's ridiculous. The comps that I have are actually better. That there's compensators you can buy to make these things more accurate. And the idea is that, it directs the backblast up a little bit to sort of help compensate and keep the barrel down when you're shooting. But these things are so, and by the way, the guts can be totally different. And so all this is like a platform. It's like a kit car, and you can add things to it to make it better, and can be made to fire full auto for the military versions. But no, it's not an assault weapon. It's no different than something like this, a Mini 14, right? Or this could be like a Mini 30. But either way, it's the same deal. It's semi-automatic damage, and it could be used for the lawful purpose of self-defense, or it could be used for another purpose. So I just wanted everybody to see what's going on. So Chuck Michel is not a happy camper right now, and it looks like at least one dissenting judge is unhappy about playing around with the docket and trying to keep these cases from being finally decided. I mean, it looks like the Ninth Circuit is everything that conservatives have said it was, the conspiracy theorists, based upon what I'm hearing. You listen to, and you tell me if you think it's different. Go ahead and listen to what, and Chuck is like the top guy in California. Everybody knows he's a stud. This guy's the man. This is somebody who has definitely stood up to the Leviathan, and my hat's off to him, 1,000%. So listen to what he's got to say.
To do, Supreme Court basically has what's called a shadow docket, which is where you request emergency relief. So we could go in front of the Supreme Court and say, hey, they should not have stayed this injunction. They should let this injunction take effect. You should overrule their order staying the effective date of the injunction until after the litigation is over, and let the law take effect. Now we've tried that, and other gun rights advocacy groups, gun owners' rights advocacy groups have tried that in a number of other cases across the country, and the Supreme Court has not granted that relief. But there's no other case like Duncan. Duncan has been up and down and now back up, again. And there's no other case like Duncan that has all these dissents that really kind of critique and criticize the way the case is being handled.
We're watching this video, and I'm just blown away by what's going on with listening to the justices and then hearing what Chuck just said. And I wanted to know what you think about it, because this is what I mean when I talk about the Leviathan and natural law. Like, we know that natural law is something that would always support the right of the people to keep and bear arms. It's part and parcel of your natural rights enshrined in our Bill of Rights in our Constitution. So everybody, if you have any questions or comments, put it in the comments. Make sure to record this and save it, because you never know when I'm going to get deleted, or some thought police person is going to come and try and censor my videos for whatever reason if I get too famous. So don't make me too famous. Just, share me with people who actually care about their families and their personal lives, and they understand that by taking care of the unit, that society can all take care of itself, and education is part of that. Break free from the Leviathan, break free from for-profit media. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to save me so I can save you. This isn't easy for me to do these videos all the time. It's a lot of work. But it's helpful if you tell me you like them, and that way I can make more. And tell me if there's anything that I'm missing or you think I screwed up, and I'll fix it for the next one. All right, Semper Fidelis. Carry on.